A healthy lifestyle is one of the best choices you can make for you and your family. It's a fact that you can improve your health and defend against disease by making smart food choices. But even if you cook healthy meals, there's a good chance you're not getting all the important protein and vital nutrients you need from your diet. Maybe you've tried a vitamin regimen before, but remembering to take all of those pills isn't easy on your schedule or your stomach. Or you've tried other nutritional shakes that leave you feeling heavy or were hard to digest. How can you be sure that you're getting the right mix of high-quality protein and complete nutrition that fits into your schedule? Well, we've got the answer. Introducing PH VidaChoice Formula 5 Protein and Nutrition from Princess House, a delicious, nutritious shake featuring a proprietary blend of 5 top-quality plant-based proteins: brown rice, quinoa, pea, pumpkin, and sunflower. Formula 5 is easy to use. Blend it with milk, water, or your favorite non-dairy milk for a delicious snack. Or add healthy ingredients like fruit, nut butters, or vegetables to create a nutritious, satisfying meal replacement. Our 100% plant protein complex delivers 15 grams of protein in just one serving, along with all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs to build and repair tissue, but can't produce on its own. Best of all, our natural plant protein is easy to digest and absorb. Plus, Formula 5 is fortified with 50% daily value of 19 essential vitamins and minerals. It's low in fat, low calorie, and loaded with nutrients. No matter what your health goals are, Formula 5 can help. It helps boost energy. Its age-fighting formula is designed to make you look and feel younger. It supports healthy weight management and a healthy immune system. It includes both probiotics and prebiotics to promote digestive health. Plus, it tastes great. Formula 5. At home, at work, or on the go, it fits into your busy lifestyle and has everything you need to help you live your best life every day.